Okay, so this week we are going to be learning about días de la semana. Días de la semana. So that's the first thing you write down is días de la semana. Okay? Días de la semana. And who can help me out? What do you think días are? We already have learned this. Days, okay? And then de, that's one of our little words list. Of, okay? We know that la, the, and then semana is a new word. What is it? Week. You knew that one. Good. Días de la semana, okay? And probably we should put los días de la semana to make it correct, like correct Spanish. The los, what is that? Jesus? Do you remember? The, okay? So el and la, and then the plural is los and las. Okay? All right, but that's not what we're focusing on. We're focusing on the días de la semana. Okay. And the first día de la semana in español is lunes. Lunes. Lunes is Monday. Okay? Lunes is Monday. Lunes. I'm going to make my M look a little more pronounced there. Okay, lunes. See?
Wait, isn't it Sunday?
Okay, I'm glad you asked. Actually, in los Estados Unidos, the first day of the week is Sunday. Okay? In the Spanish-speaking countries, Monday is the first day of the week. Isn't that interesting? Okay? And that's actually one of the things that says right here in the Cultura box. Let's go ahead and pause and read that for just a second. Barbara, do you mind? Well, you're not there yet. That's fine. Elena's right there. So can you read that?
Which one?
In the Cultura box, it says, in Spanish-speaking countries.
In Spanish-speaking countries, the week begins Monday and ends on Sunday. Saturday and Sunday are truly el fin de semana.
El fin de semana, the week or the end of the week. So if you think about it, it's kind of strange that our week begins on Sunday, which is actually a weekend. Does that make sense? When Sunday's the beginning of our week.
Yeah.
That doesn't make sense, does it? Okay? So it makes more sense how in the Spanish-speaking countries, lunes is the first day of the week, and it goes through, and then Saturday and Sunday is the end of the week, the fin de semana, the weekend. Okay, moving on. Martes is the next day. Martes, so make sure you've got that on your cuaderno. Martes is Tuesday. Martes. So writing that one down. Next is miércoles. Miércoles is probably the most difficult one to spell because the rest are kind of shorter. Miércoles is Wednesday. Okay, miércoles. Next we have jueves. Jueves is one that has a J, and J is, it's pronounced a little bit differently in Espanol. Jueves is Thursday.
So today is jueves.
What's that, Amelia?
So today is jueves.
Today is jueves, okay? Today is jueves. And in just a minute, we're going to learn how to say that all in Spanish, okay? Jueves. Okay, after jueves, we have viernes. Viernes. Viernes is Friday. Viernes. Next is sábado, which is Saturday. And that one actually sounds a little bit like what it is with the SA starting off, Saturday, sábado, because the rest don't. In fact, none of them even start with the same letter, okay? And then finally we have domingo, which is Sunday. Okay, domingo, which is Sunday. Okay. All right, so we've got lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes. I messed up sábado. Oops. Sábado has the accent over the first day. Sorry about that. Duh. Okay, sábado and domingo. Okay? So, first thing we need to do is learn how to say these. So, all together, I'm going to have you help me out. I don't want to do like a solo up here, okay? I need some help. So, all together, ready? Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. One more time. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Okay. Now, there's something kind of weird that maybe you picked up on, maybe you haven't, about this letter.
It's not capitalized.
It's not capitalized. Did anyone pick that up? Okay, other than Amelia, obviously. In English, we capitalize the days of the week. In Spanish, not capitalized. Okay? So you may want to just like write a note to yourself, or you could even just underline and be like, oh, these aren't capitalized. They're little, you know? Just something that reminds yourself that that's different, okay? It's different than what we do. Okay, so any preguntas over that part? All right, now let's talk about what Amelia said. Today is jueves, okay? So we're gonna need to have some helper words as we do this lesson. One of those helper words is today, all right? And the word for today is hoy, okay? H-O-Y, hoy. Hoy, today. Hoy. Personally, I think that one's a fun one to say. Hoy. Remember we just got the silent H. H, you don't ever say it, so it's really just like O-Y. Kind of like boy, but hoy. All right, let's say that one together. Hoy. Hoy. It's fun, doesn't it? I mean, it's kind of like, woo, hoy. That's me. Okay, never mind. It's just me. All right, so what about yesterday?
Ayer.
And we've talked about that one, haven't we? Ayer. Ayer. Yesterday. Ayer. So that one's a little bit of a review. And then the next one you should know also, how do you say tomorrow?
Mañana.
And how did you know that? Remember when we
learned. Because hasta mañana.
hasta mañana. Muy bien. Okay? So mañana. Mañana meaning tomorrow. Okay. Mañana, tomorrow. Okay. One of the key words that we're going to bring back that we've talked about on our little words list is the word is. How do you say that? Is. So make sure we've got that written down. Is. And so that's going to be really helpful when we want to say today is Friday. Okay? How would we say that?
Hoy es viernes.
Okay? Or what about today is Monday?
Hoy es lunes.
Hoy es lunes, okay? What if I want to say tomorrow is Saturday?
Mañana es sábado.
What if I want to say tomorrow is Tuesday?
Mañana es martes.
Martes. Muy bien. Okay, now with ayer, this one's a little different because it's past tense. Yesterday was. Okay, so we're going to use that word, which is fue. All right, F-U-E, fue. Was. Fue. Salud. Okay, so now we can say yesterday was Wednesday. How would I say that?
Ayer fue miércoles.
Ayer fue miércoles. All right, what if I wanted to say yesterday was Thursday?
Ayer fue jueves.
What about yesterday was Sunday?
Ayer fue domingo.
Domingo, muy bien. Okay, so any questions on any of this and how we're gonna like combine to say like different things? Okay, I think we're finished, thank you. All right, so we will